Welcome everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and I want to show us a very simple but powerful, very powerful trading strategy for gold. Now, we're using the RSI and momentum indicator. Now, why we are combining the two of them is because of the power that they can release in the forex market, especially the momentum indicator. Why? Because um, gold actually follows momentum, and institutional traders actually trade based on momentum. So we want to trade alongside with them so that we'll make profit. We know how volatile um, gold can be, but the volatility is the momentum that it has. So you see already we are on profit, on good profit. Now we are using this for that reason, because gold works with demand and supply. Now before we move further, before we move further, we enter some trade. I just want to show us some of the trade that we enter. We see we enter in direction of the momentum also. It is in direction of the momentum and also direction of the RSI. You see it. So it is not just for gold alone, but it works best with gold. Now let me show us how it works. Once it is on overbought here, that's the momentum will start dropping. So we're expecting it to drop down for a sell. Once it is at this place, we expect the momentum to increase up for a buy. That is just the strategy. So when two of them, that means the momentum and the RSI are up, it means that they are about to be a reversal. When it is down, they are about to also be what? A reversal. Now I don't intend to make this video long. I just want us to get this and then start back testing it, because you will be shocked at this trading strategy. Now, get the settings quickly. The period now, the period is 13 apply to close, and then our levels are 32, 68, and 50. Period is 13. We have our levels 32, 68, and 50. Apply to close. Now look at the settings for the momentum. Look at the settings for the momentum. This is the settings for the momentum. So copy this the settings and test run it. Now look at our gold. Already our gold is giving us massive profit. See, you will not get any powerful strategy as this. This is the most powerful strategy that you ever get. Before you know it, now you see they will supply, institutional trader will supply it, and then before you know it has reached here. That is just how that we have been trading this strategy for the past 10 years. It is actually your benefit coming across this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a secret very deep such as this. See you in the next video some other time.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.